Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Rainbow Six Siege error 00x, and I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this error, so make sure you watch this entire video. So first you have to close the Steam completely from your PC, and after that just you can go to the Windows search and type the Steam, and when you type it just click on the run as administrator. By running as an administrator will sometimes fix your problem, and if this does not fix your problem, then we can move to our next solution. The next solution, you can go to the Windows search, type the device manager and open it. So once your device manager was open, here you need to just search for the display adapters. Just click on it and just update your graphic card from here, because sometimes the unupdated graphic card will also cause this issue. After that, if your problem is not fixed, then you can go to the Steam library, select the Rainbow Six Siege game, click on the gear icon, click on its properties. And now here, click on the installed files you are seeing, click on the verify integrity of the game files. So once you click on here, it will start repairing your corrupted files or any missing files in your Steam, and this can also fix your issue. After that, just close it and see your problem is fixed or not. And after that, if your problem is not fixed, then you can go to the Steam and go to settings, then go to the storage, click on the three dot option, click on the repair library. And if there is any problem in the Steam, then this built-in function can fix the issue, so you also need to apply this step. Then just restart the Steam, restart the game, and your problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix this problem. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it and also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.